This module is for VirtualBox users only. In this module, I'll be showing you how to install the guest additions for Ubuntu Desktop 14. This is going to give us many important features. The most important, at least for this video series, is a better screen resolution. You'll notice here that my resolution is very low, it's a square, it doesn't fit on the screen. However, once we install our guest additions, I'll be able to show you around in Ubuntu Desktop 14 in full 720p. So let's go ahead and log into our user account now so that we can get those guest additions installed. We'll log in, and we are logging in for the first time into our system. And we will immediately go to Devices, and then Insert Guest Additions CD Image. Now what we're doing here is we're loading the Guest Additions ISO image, which comes in with the VirtualBox installation, and this is going to enable us to install these additional features. So we'll insert the Guest Additions CD image, and it should automatically be mounted and recognized by Ubuntu 14. So what we want to do here is we want to go ahead and select Run. Again, notice the screen resolution is very poor, so we can't even fit this entire dialog box into our screen. Select Run, and then enter your user password. And we are building the main Guest Additions module. After this is complete, and assuming everything succeeds, we'll give the machine a reboot, and you should immediately notice a different resolution. So now we can press return to close that window, and we can reboot our system, and again we will immediately be greeted by a better screen resolution. You can see here a much better resolution, and we can use the host key, which is by default right control, and F in order to move into full screen mode. Now we have Ubuntu Desktop up and running with a 720p screen resolution. This completes the tutorial for installing guest additions in Ubuntu Desktop through VirtualBox. If you have any difficulty with this whatsoever, please post in the discussion board, and I would be happy to answer those questions and make sure that you get guest additions up and running.